Spicy Miso Glazed Salmon with salt pickled cucumbers and nasturtium. 1 cup of mirin, and then our sugar. We can add our miso, we're starting to boil here. Sesame oil, nice and smooth. And add our hot sauce. Nice caramel color, nice and smooth, no clumps. So here now it's cooled down, almost looks like a nice caramel. We take our salmon, minimum 6 hours to overnight is even better. And I like to spoon a little bit extra of this miso glaze on top of it. Take about 7 to 8 minutes for this to cook in the oven. So now all that caramelization is happening from the sugars and the miso in the pan. You can see you get nice caramelization from the sugars. So I like to serve this dish with slightly salt pickled cucumbers and then finish a little extra virgin olive oil, nasturtium flowers, which add some bitterness to it, and their greens as well.